talking about my role model. A role model is someone you want to be like because they are very good at their job. For example, a member of New Jeans because they are good at singing and dancing. Also, they are very pretty. Role model is very important because a role model helps you to choose your dream job or future. My role model is Henry Matisse. He is a great painter, but he had health problems, and he created a new type of art. First, he worked very hard on his art. He had health problems, but he worked in hospital. When Henri Matisse was in his hospital bed, he was coloring paper and cutting it and pasted on the setting paper. So he had many pictures. For example, coloring green and brown and cutting into the shape of a tree and the tree put on the setting paper. Then it's done. He did it like this. He is a French painter from France. Here is my next reason why he is my role model. Second, Henri Matisse had a unique style. He made art technology. I think Henri Matisse's style is very unique because I've never seen any pictures that cut and paste like that. But I've seen it makes new art technology. People see your picture. I think people are surprised because it is new. They've never seen anything like that picture. Why did he work so hard? I think he wanted to do art for a long time, or he wanted to show his picture to everyone. In conclusion, my role model is Henri Matisse because he worked very hard and Henri Matisse had a unique style. Thank you for listening my speech.